Yo, what's up, y'all? Just stopped by to tell y'all about my new build right here. I call this the All-American Doodle Bug right here. You know what I'm saying? All-American. I'm gonna be all I can be. Got the 24-inch ape hangers on that jump with the Predator 212 on it. Kind of hooked that junk up, put a little air cleaner on it, tuned it up. You know what I'm saying? Got stage 1 on it. Did a lot of paint work on it, you know what I'm saying? Kept that red, white, and blue theme. Represent the American flag, reupholstered my seat, you know what I'm saying? Nobody doing that around here, you know? That's how I'm showing you right now, you know? Got the blue flames on it, you know? Upgraded my start switch. You know what I'm saying? Right, good right now, man. Just tuned her up. Wheels, frame, shoot, everything, man. She clean right now. So, you know, I just stopped by to tell y'all. Once again, we riding clean over here in VA. So, check it out, you know what I'm saying? Show you a little something on the road a little later.